the Boeing B-50, the Long Ranger. On the morning of March 23rd, 1950, the B-50 Bomber, on a routine training mission, exploded and crashed north of Dateland and Hyder, Arizona. Having just come from there, that is literally in the middle of nowhere, 2 of the 14 crewmen on board parachuted to safety. The other 12 died, perished in the crash. This memorial is erected and dedicated to the memory of the crew of the Long Ranger. Very unique here that there was a sergeant named Stovall which is part of our 12 o'clock high.